And then we say, yeah, baby! Yeah, baby! Woo!
Yeah!
Yeah!
20 years ago, as a Chinese medicine student, I learned that wind and cold are serious pathogens. I started to avoid wind and cold, and it became a real fear controlling my life. That fear became my barrier holding me back. 3 years ago, I met Andy, the breath warrior, a former elite athlete, a breath instructor. He introduced me to breathing techniques. Breath is a key to inner strength, he said. With his guidance, I learned to control my mind through breathing, and I was ready for the ultimate challenge, the ice bath. As I sat down in the freezing water, I felt totally in control. It was a powerful moment. I realized I can control my mind and body to do things I was afraid of. This was a beginning of a journey to embrace cold, overcome fear, and take control. I studied the Wim Hof method, I continued to practice Qigong, and in the past 2 years, I've been spreading the news. If you want to experience a true triumph over fear, join me for a breathing techniques and ice bath seminar. See you soon.